In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ChatGPT to n8n in just a few minutes. By the end, you'll be able to use AI inside your automations to generate text, summaries, captions, emails, and more. Let's get started. First, you'll need your OpenAI API key. Head to OpenAI's website, log in, generate a new key, and copy it somewhere safe. This key acts like a secure pass that lets n8n talk to ChatGPT on your behalf. Treat it like a password and avoid sharing it publicly. Next, log into your n8n dashboard and create a new workflow. When you click Create Workflow, you'll land on the canvas where everything comes together. Think of this canvas as your automation map. Each node is a step, and the connections define the flow. Every workflow needs a starting point, so add a trigger. Click the plus button, search for manual trigger, and drop it on the canvas. The manual trigger is perfect for testing because you can run it on demand and immediately see what happens. Now add the OpenAI node. Click the plus button again, search for OpenAI, and place it on the canvas. This is the node that connects directly to ChatGPT, allowing you to send prompts and receive AI-generated content. Open the OpenAI node and connect your credentials. Click Credentials, choose Create New, paste your OpenAI API key, and save. Once saved, n8n can securely reach ChatGPT without you needing to paste the key again inside your workflow. With access set up, configure the AI prompt. Choose your preferred model in the node settings. Then, in the prompt field, type something like, "Write a short motivational quote about success." This is the instruction ChatGPT will follow to produce a response. Connect the nodes by dragging a line from the manual trigger to the OpenAI node. This tells n8n that when the trigger runs, it should send your prompt to ChatGPT. Click Execute Workflow. You'll see the OpenAI node run and return a response in its output panel. If you can read the AI's message there, everything is working correctly. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. The manual trigger starts the workflow. n8n sends your prompt to ChatGPT. ChatGPT processes it and returns a result, and n8n captures that response. From there, you can route it to email, Slack, Google Sheets, or nearly any other destination. n8n handles the automation, and ChatGPT handles the intelligence. Now that you're connected, you can automatically reply to emails, generate product descriptions, create Instagram captions, summarize form submissions, or analyze customer feedback. Just place the OpenAI node after any trigger. You've learned how to connect ChatGPT to n8n, add a trigger, link your OpenAI key, and run the workflow. With this setup, adding AI to your automations takes only minutes.